Hey everybody, it's Shakira. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, Glow Beauty Wellness. In today's video, I have a juicy, lovely skincare apparatus, skincare product, skincare device that I'm going to be reviewing for you today. I've been using it for the past 3 weeks so that I can give you the most accurate review. Let's get started. So this mask was sent to me. I am not being paid to do this review. However, they did send this to me for free 99 because I wanted it and in exchange for this honest review. So we're gonna get right into it. So of course it comes in this super cool handy dandy box where you can store the mask, but I have been just like keeping it on my bed or on the nightstand so that I do not forget to do my light therapy treatment. So what is light therapy? It is a therapy. It is a therapy that is designed to treat various ailments of the skin, as well as like I go to a sauna, sauna, infrared sauna, where they have the infrared lights, the red light, you may have seen it, you know, around town on Instagram and the tube, where you you do these treatments and there's like years and years and years and years and years and years and years of science that backs up the efficacy. You like my big word? That backs up the efficacy of this type of treatment. So light therapy is used for general health and wellness and has been directly linked to revitalizing and rejuvenating the body. So we have one straight up for the face. And so it came in a box that housed this box, and there was a slip on it. I think I have some footage, I will insert it if I do. And you open this bad boy up, and here is the mask. There's the front and there's the back. It retails for about $300 US, and it has its different modes on here. I will have to put my glasses on for this. Just give me 1 second. So it comes with the mask with the little connection thing, and then let me just show you. So you have wrinkle reducer, you have acne booster, skin balance. Girl, let me get my glasses. I'm in denial about the state of affairs with my eyes. Anyways, so we have wrinkle reducer. No, I'm lying. We're gonna start at the top. Wrinkle reducer, acne buster, skin balancer, red away, radiant skin, skin soother, cell rejuvenator, skin booster, pain blocker, daily dose, and quick fix. And I believe the quick fix has a mix of all of our lights, as you can see here. The mask itself. And then we have the charging piece. It charges right at the bottom here. There's a little plastic thing you just pop out and plug in. You charge. You can charge on the wall or you can charge on the computer, like it has the USB situation, so you can charge it on your computer. And you have the little eye thingies. This because you're not supposed to have your eyes open while you are doing your treatment. So as you well know, my skin is flawless already because I am a big advocate for skincare. I've been taking care of my skin since I was 16. My mom was, or maybe 15. My mom, yeah, 15. My mom used to be a sales rep for Mary Kay, and she was so good that she got one of the cars. One of their mantras was that the best, something along the lines of, you know, your flawless makeup application is going to depend on your skincare. So I'm all about the skincare. I am all about preserving my youth and my beauty and my vitality, and so I'm willing to do most things, okay? Most things, except for going to the night because I'm scared. Let's start with the cons. The only thing that I can say about this mask is it's not the most, it's not like, oh my gosh, this is so relaxing and comfortable. The lip part I feel could be a little bigger. it just like kind of smushes my lips in, and so, but that could be user error because these are adjustable, so perhaps it's just on too tight. So that's the only thing that I would say I don't like, is that the lip part. But other than that, you can obviously adjust this. You obviously put your thingies on, your eye covers on, so that you do not damage your eyes with the light. What I love is all the features, of course, depending on what your skin issue is in particular. You can, you know, plug it in. I have been doing 20 minutes, and I think I didn't read the manual because I just like to jump into things and not follow directions, obviously. But I set a timer on my phone for 20 minutes. So I've been doing treatments like 3 days a week for the past 3 weeks, and because I obviously wanted to make sure I saw a difference. Now again, skin's flawless already, but you know, we can always stand to improve somewhere. And I do feel like the softness of my skin has improved, and just over time using this is going to help me prevent any skin issues. I don't have any, well, I had like a spot on my forehead, but this happened a few days ago. There was a spot on my forehead because I experimented and glued on one of my lace wigs, and it went okay. It went okay. I might do a video on it, but when I took it off, I kind of was a little forceful, and it was bleeding a little bit. So I did do light therapy, and I used some of my aloe gel on this as well, and I feel like I healed faster. I feel like the healing process was faster with the aloe gel and our light therapy. I also like how it is easy to travel with. So I did have to travel, and I thought about bringing this, but I was like, nah. The only thing that I would be careful about is these little thingies, like the metal part. You want to be careful to make sure you don't bend them. But it's super easy to travel. Like if I wanted to travel, all I would have to do is just be mindful to not bend it, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is Thanksgiving Day. This is the first day that I started using this mask. I've been using this mask regularly for over three weeks, and I have been using the mask for 20 minutes per session 3 times a week. I've been favoring the wrinkle reducer, the skin balancer, radiant skin and cell rejuvenator settings. So the benefits of this therapy is going to be reducing the inflammation in your skin, increased tissue repair, reduction of pain, increased collagen production, increased blood flow, and more. And of course, I had to get footage of me with no makeup. Stop playing with me. Skin is 110. Make sure you go get one of these. So yeah, those are my thoughts on this mask. Of course, this is another way to show yourself self-care, self-love by taking care of the largest organ that we have, and that is our skin. I will have relevant links in the description box below for you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As well as let me know, do you already do some form of light therapy? And if you do, make sure you leave your experiences in the comment section for other people to explore. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.